Hello everyone and welcome back to Get English Fit. Today we are looking at the numbers from 21 to 1000. In today's lesson, I would like you to listen and repeat the numbers after me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Well done, very good. Now we will continue to look at the numbers over 100. So after 100, we have 101. and 1. So we must say and. 101, 102, 103. This continues 120, 121, 200, 201, 231, 285, 300, 323, 374, 399, 400, 450, 472, 500, 528, 587, 600, 644, 692, 700, 736, 773, 800, 817, 864, 900, 968, 988, 1,000. Well done, very good. Now, those numbers 13 and 30, for example, they are often difficult to distinguish. Sometimes we hear 13, but actually the number is 30, and vice versa. So I would like just to repeat and practice those with you now. So again, listen and repeat. 13, 30, 14, 40, 15, 50, 16, 60, 17, 70, 18, 80, 19, 90. So notice those first numbers, 13, 14, 15, they all finish with een. So there is the N at the end. The other numbers, 30 or 40, they end with Y. So we hear E, 30, 40. So now let's practice. I will say some of these numbers and I would like you to try to understand which number you hear. Okay? 30, 14, 50, 60, 17, 18, 90. Did that seem easy? Okay, this time I will say the words more quickly to see if it becomes more difficult for you. 30, 14, 15, 60, 17, 18, 19. Well done, everybody. I hope you have found this lesson useful. If you would like to continue having lessons with me, then please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.